Hey guys, my name is John Davies and welcome to this lesson on the Single Stroke 7. So the Single Stroke 7 is exactly what the name implies. It is a single stroke roll with 7 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So a really good reason for developing the Single Stroke 7 is that it is a great way in developing your single stroke roll hand speed. If we want to train our hands to play faster, one of the best ways to do that is to actually do it in short bursts. Okay, the first exercise we are playing in 16th notes. We're going to start with the right hand on beat 1 and then we're going to switch to the left hand on beat 3. So starting at 60 beats per minute and then speeding up. 1 E and a 2 E and 3 E and a 4 E and. And guys, if you'd like the PDF of the lesson, then just click on the link in the description below. Okay, exercise number 1B, we are staying in 16th notes, but this time we're just going to flip it round. 1 and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a. So guys, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously, if you have any comments, just chuck them in the comment section down below. Okay, exercise number 2, we are now going to take the Single Stroke 7 into the 6/8 time signature. So the way we are going to count this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. And we are resting on counts 5 and count 6. We're going to start this at 90 beats per minute and speed up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Hey guys, I'm just interrupting your lesson very quickly just to let you know that I've released my first online course. The course is an introduction to hand technique, primarily dealing with the rebound stroke. In the course we learn about grips, we learn about fulcrums, we learn about positions, we learn about essentially how to make the stick work for us. So I've been teaching for well over 20 years now, and when it comes to hand technique, this is the first thing that I teach all of my students. So the course I put together goes over the fundamentals, but primarily there's a lot of practicing videos where you can practice along with me. So if this is something of interest to you, then please just check out the link in the description below. Back to the lesson. Okay, exercise number 3, we are in triplets and we're going to start this at 60 beats per minute. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3, 4. Okay, exercise number 4, we are now in sextuplets and we're going to start at 60 beats per minute. 1 triplet and triplet 2, 3 triplet and triplet 4. So exercise number 5 is in sextuplets, just the same as exercise number 4. This is a 4-bar exercise, and the idea here is instead of leaving a quarter note in between each single stroke 7, we're just putting an 8th note, which is now going to give us a slightly cross-rhythmic feel. We're playing a 2-bar phrase. First time we start with the right hand, the second time we start with the left hand. And we're going to start this at 60 beats per minute and speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it, guys. That's the Single Stroke 7 Rudiment. If you've enjoyed that lesson, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously, if you have any comments, just chuck them in the comment section down below. I will see you on the next video. Cheers.